Hey, what's up? Steve here for the Biker Lawyers. Listen, I am currently in Baxter. So I'm a new rider. I say new, I've been riding for about 2 seasons now. This season I've got almost 4,000 miles on the bike. Last season I think it was about 2,000, so I doubled. That's not bad. Season's not over. But I went on my first charity ride, my first poker run this weekend, and I gotta tell you, it was a heck of an experience. What I found really amazing about it was just the sense of camaraderie. Like, I've been to a rally before. I went to the Freedom Rally, which is basically like Sturgis for the Midwest. This was very different. Started early in the morning. I think registration started at 9:30, and we had the kickstands up by 11 in a little town called Baxter. What was great about this event is that, first of all, it was really cool seeing bikers from different clubs, from different organizations, and just even casual riders. There was even like a guy on a dirt bike there. And, you know, you paid your $15 and all the money was going to fund free breast cancer screening and to help veterans. This organized event has been around for 12 years. This was their 12th annual. I was talking to the event organizer, and she had said that the very first event had about 280 people show up. And I said, wow, that's some great word of mouth. And she goes, nah, it's all marketing. And she's right. I mean, the way that she puts this together, the people that she partners with to support this event, it shows. My wife and I went, and, you know, we haven't really been a big part of the biking community, but we were all there for a cause and to raise awareness about something, and it mattered. One thing I will tell you is that I learned a valuable lesson, which is you don't have to go the speed of everybody else. You know, there were points where the group, and we were talking about 200 people strong on bikes, right? And that was a sight to see. But there were times when they were pretty closely together and going speeds they were comfortable with. And I'm not saying everybody did this, but there was a chunk of people who did. And maybe that's how a lot of rides go. I'm a newer rider. So, you know, I stayed at a comfortable spot, and, you know, by understanding the 3 lanes that are in the 1 lane for the motorcycle rider, you realize that if you get over and other people pass you, that's totally okay. There were plenty of people hanging back, and in fact there was one point where we got stuck behind a train because of that, and that's okay. You know what I mean? They had a railroad crossing, and we just stopped, we waited, and we met up with them, and they didn't leave without us or anything like that. But it was just a great opportunity to see people practicing and, you know, just riding safe. And when you see other cars that were passing us by and the kids, you know, waving at you, it's a really cool thing. I mean, I can see why people do it, and it's definitely something that I wouldn't mind participating again in the future. What was really neat too is before we took off, seeing all the bikes there, the different kinds of bikes, the great paint jobs, you know, the custom work done on them. It was really, really cool. I mean, it was neat seeing like this whole huge section of town just completely bikes everywhere, you know. The other thing that was neat is when we got to Marshalltown, the Marshalltown police had actually blocked off traffic to make sure that we could safely turn into the Iowa Veterans Home, which I thought was really, really cool. So it was a great example of a very well organized ride, very well organized event, and they even had some great merch for sale, which I thought was cool. So overall, an awesome experience. I highly recommend the Ride4Time with friends of mine. You can check them out on Facebook. And honestly, like any charity ride, at thebikerlawyers.com/events, we have a list of Midwest biker events. Definitely check it out, because there's plenty of charity rides, plenty of rallies to check out, plenty of just parties. It's a biker party. So definitely check it out and support local events. This is an awesome event. This is for raising cancer awareness. It's for the veterans, and it's $15 per person, which is not bad at all. I've seen well over 100 people register. I expect there will probably be closer to 200 by the time registration's over. It's a 5-stop ride, poker ride. And honestly, it's just really cool seeing all the people out here. There's some awesome skin ink. These bikes are insane. So I definitely recommend supporting rides like this. And the Biker Lawyers are proud to be here to support it as well.